If your brand name or logo isn't trademark registered in Bangladesh, someone else can copy it, and fixing that later can be costly. A trademark protects your brand name, logo, and identity and gives you strong legal support if anyone tries to copy your business. With the Qanun mobile app, you can start everything online. We guide you through trademark search, prepare your application, submit it, and keep you updated until completion. To get started, you'll need your logo or mark, trade license, owner's NID, signature, and a contact number or email. Simple steps, clear requirements, and dedicated support so you never get stuck. Ready to protect your brand? Visit qanun.com.bd or download the Qanun app on Android or iOS and start your trademark registration today.
Tap Book now. Upload the required documents. Complete your payment. That's it. Your work ends here. From here, Qanun takes care of everything behind the scenes. Track your trademark process instantly with the Qanun tracker inside the app. Once your service is delivered, you feel stress-free, just like our happy users. Qanun, 100% legal solution you can trust.